In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a label from an email in Gmail. Labels are a really handy way to organize your inbox, but sometimes you might change your mind or realize that an email was put into the wrong category. In that case, you don't necessarily want to delete the email, you just want to remove the label so it no longer appears in that labeled folder. That's exactly what we'll walk through in this video. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look through your list of emails and find the message that currently has the label you want to remove. You'll usually see labels as small colored tags or text next to the subject line. When you've identified the right email, go ahead and click on it to open it. After you click, the email will open in full view. At the top of the message, right under the subject line, you'll see any labels that are applied to that email. They often appear as small boxes or tags with the label name inside. This is where you'll remove the label. Move your mouse over the label you want to get rid of. As you hover over it, you should see a small X icon appear on the label itself. This X is what you'll use to remove that specific label from the email. It won't delete the email and it won't delete the label from Gmail entirely. It only removes that label from this particular message. Once you see the X, click it. As soon as you click, the label should disappear from the top of the email. That means the label has been successfully removed from this message. The email will no longer show up when you click on that label in the left sidebar, but it will still be available in your inbox or wherever it was originally stored. If you accidentally remove the wrong label, don't worry. You can always reapply it by clicking the labels icon at the top of the email, then selecting the label again from the list. And that's all there is to it. You've just removed a label from an email in Gmail, quickly and cleanly, without deleting anything important.